All right, for question number 9, you need to realize that this is 2 times this, and to do the antiderivative of this part, this is inverse tangent of x, and unfortunately you just have to memorize that to be able to catch it. But we would end up with that. Then to use the initial condition here, when y is 3, x is -1. And once again, the hardest part of this is remembering how to deal with inverse tangent. So this is asking what angle has a tangent of -1. And tangent is -1 in 2 places. But to find the one that you want, you also have to remember the range of inverse tangent only exists from -π/2 to +π/2, not including the endpoints. So that should not be where you pick out your answer, and this one should be. And usually we like to call this angle 7π/4, but the problem with 7π/4 is it's not between these two values. So instead you have to call it -π/4. Alright, so then that gives us 3 is equal to -π/2 plus c, or 3 plus π/2 is c. So the function with c plugged in looks like that. And then we need to evaluate at square root of 3. So plug in a square root of 3 in for x, and then we need to solve this. So once again, we need to know unit circle tangent values, and we have to know the range of this inverse tangent. So within -π/2 to +π/2, the angle that's going to have that tangent is π/3. So you end up with 2π/3 plus 3 plus π/2. And if you get all of those to have a common denominator of 6, this guy gets multiplied by 2, this guy gets multiplied by 6, and this guy gets multiplied by 3. So for this one, it looks like 7π plus 18/6 should get us card number 10, and in fact it does. So hardest part of that one is, well, one, you have to have this memorized. The derivative of inverse tangent is this, and you have to remember how to deal with inverse tangents. So memorizing their range to know why this is -π/4, and again having that range memorized to know why this is π/3.